Hey guys, this is my second video. The first one was like at midnight. We're gonna do some lighter tricks. And get my stuff on. Do a lighter trick. Let me grab my lighter. Doing a lighter trick for my first time ever on YouTube. 1 sec. Alright, this is how you do it. There's the gauge on there. You take off this and you twist it this way, lift it up, and twist it that way. And you get this. It's kind of glary on your side, but that's what it looks like for me. It's super tall. Like, look, you guys are all the way up here, and it's right there. There's the lighter. Now watch. Now if I do this, it burns a slow flame. Watch this. Because that little flame's still there. Now watch. Boom. Boom. And then that's what it is. This is me, Ryan Scott, and peace out. See you in my next video.